Guys, good morning. This is Zach Harris here from the School of Economic Trends. And today, let me just show you what date is today. Today is Monday, 11:40. It's time to do our weekly analysis. And I'm actually gonna give you the overview of last week's prediction as well. That done pretty good for ourselves. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open up a FTSE chart. Here's the FTSE chart for us, and as you can see here, this is a daily time frame we're looking at. I'm gonna make it slightly big. On the right hand side we have got all these prices are there. Let me get rid of the volume. As you can see, last week I predicted, I think it was Monday, this day last week, which was the 15th. Just exactly this day last week I predicted. Let me just see, was it 15th on Monday? Yes, it was. 15th on Monday I predicted that market should take a turn and we will be looking for an influential bar, which was this bar. And since that bar arrived, as you can see, the close of this bar was 6.9. Here's you'll be able to read your close in here, 6894. Since then the market has been dropping 6894, about 70 points, nothing major. But we've got this support level here. I'm gonna draw a line. I'm gonna show you exactly what do I believe what will happen. Horizontal line. We've got one line here, and then I'm gonna make another line here. There you go. So once it's gonna drop, I reckon it can drop up to 6,600 or else 6,300. I'm hoping that it will drop up to 6,350, but that is the price barrier. It could actually bounce and then rise back up again, or else it could actually simply broke through that and go to the next support level we have. So guys, these are the market prices at the moment, and this was our entry level. And obviously it's a few days later. What we do is we place a trade, and once our trade get into the profitable trade, we actually lock our profits and move our stop loss onto our entry level. But guys, this was a prediction which we done last Monday, and plus what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a screenshot of that as well, and I am gonna post it up on my on our members area, and so you'll be able to see it. This would be our analysis of FTSE. So let me have a look and check maybe Euro versus USD, because we wanted Euro versus USD to rise and see what happens since last week. Wow, we're looking at one day here. Is that one day? Euro versus USD. Wow. Wow, this is actually, if this is actually alive, that's a perfect actually opportunity. One day, we're looking at one day. Yes, we are looking at one day. So as you can see, this would be our support level. It rose up here, then drop back down for a few days, then rose back up. Then we've got a really strong support level at 1.13855. Wow, this would be our support level. Resistance level. My apologies. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm going to draw a line here. This is our resistance level, and I'm going to write it down as well. So resistance level there, and it's fairly strong one too. As you can see, it's already taken a turn to go down, and plus, and then after that, it's I reckon it could actually, Euro could drop up to here. Maybe, you know, let me just draw a line here. There is a quite possibility, you know, this would be our support level that could actually drop up to here. Okay, so guys, this is our analysis for this week. I reckon that the Euro will actually keep on going down. Either it could actually bounce back up from here. I'm gonna actually draw another line, and I'm gonna type it up here, and I'm gonna type up it is the support level there. I don't think it will drop up to support level 3, but I'm still gonna actually draw a line here. Because where is I used to have an option of taking a picture here. Let me just see. Upload a layout. Hold on, layout. No. Well, look, I'll take a screenshot of that and put it up on our members area as well, like I've done it last week. I think I've predicted that as well, that we are waiting on this euro to rise up here, and then it will drop back down. And I'm actually going to show you in a minute as well. And I'm going to, okay, this is our euro versus USD. And let me just have a look at GBP versus USD, see what's happening with that. We should actually have it on our watch list there. GBP versus USD. Hold on, no, actually, you know what? USD, see what happens there. That's looking pretty ashy heavy. It's wow, tell you that this is our GBP versus USD, guys. This is looking in deep trouble at the moment. It's keep on dropping down, and it's not even giving you any good pullbacks. We were waiting on that pullback to actually rise back up to here, and then we were gonna actually get involved on this market to go down, but unfortunately it's not happening. We want our actually GBP to go up to here on 133581, and then it starts to take a turn, and then we would get involved. But unfortunately, I don't think it's the right market to get involved. But yes, euro versus USD and FTSE, I think there are actually good entries there. The analysis were dead on. What I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna go over to our membership area, and I'm gonna show you my predictions from last week. This is our membership site, guys, and again, our silver plan is absolutely free. You'll be able to look at our analysis and do a few things. And what I'm gonna do is I'm going to log in, and I'm gonna show you last week analysis. We have got slow it up, just bear with me. Well, what I'm gonna do is I'm actually going to open up last week's live analysis section. There you go, live analysis, 15th of August. That's the live analysis I done. So I'm gonna show you. Well, we have got a clip as well on YouTube clip, which you could actually watch it whenever you want. It's an in-depth analysis we done it last Monday. I'm gonna fast forward it. That was actually uploaded. We have UK100. If you look at slightly drop, make it turn. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna close out. I'm actually gonna show you the screenshots I've done. It's actually so funny because it looks pretty much identical. That's what we predicted, that the FTSE will rise, and in around that point 6987 or just below that point it will actually start dropping, and that was our prediction. And look at this. If I were to show you UK100 chart, you would be absolutely amazed. It looks pretty identical. Look at this. Look at this chart and look at that chart. That's what we predicted, that it's gonna go up and then it's gonna drop back down, and that's exactly what happened. After that red bar, that green bar, there was a couple of green bars we had. I'm gonna show you here. Look at this. After the red bar, 1, 2, 3, and that's where we predicted that it's actually gonna go down. And look at it started to go down. That is brilliant. That is brilliant. That's exactly what it starts happening. Starts to go down. So guys, it's looking pretty good. I'm gonna show you euro versus USD, and again, let's go back to euro versus USD because we just done an analysis there. What was our analysis for last week? Euro versus USD. There you go, guys. Okay, so there you go. That's the analysis for Euro versus USD. So I'm gonna show you our picture there. Wow, done this. Okay, so the starts dropping here. That's exactly what we said. Either it will start dropping from that point or that point. So where is let me just see, where is that? We done on the 15th, which was the 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, so there you go. That was the bang on analysis as well. As we predicted that if it's not from there it's gonna be dropping. And hold on. Wow. Wow. So we predicted either from there it will start dropping from that resistance level. If not there, then it would drop from here, from that point. But look, it actually made its turn already to go down. As you can see here, that was the time when we predicted 1.121, and it's actually started dropping at, what was the open price, 1.135. Wow, that's brilliant. So guys, it's so far so good. It's rose up for a few days. It's bang on, dead on analysis. Our prediction were fairly good, and I think Euro versus USD, we might take a place. So that's how we actually predetermine the opening and closing points, and we've already determined and identified the opportunity on FTSE and Euro versus USD. I hope you enjoyed this morning's analysis, and if there's anything I can do, guys, I want you to email me at zach@tsetrends.com. This is our email. You're more than welcome to even join our free session here, or else get in touch here. This is our www.tsetrends.site is a membership site, or else this is tsetrends.com is a normal website. So guys, if there's anything I can help you with, feel free to give me a bell. And that's just the way we predetermined. We do the live weekly analysis. This video is going to be uploaded on YouTube, plus as well as on my membership site as well. Okay, all I gotta say is, guys, have a great day, and I hope you catch a good bit of profit, because I know our clients did, and hopefully you did from last week's analysis. Thanks very much, and have a great day.